How to make and create WhatsApp statue on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and now log into your Canva account, and this is the home page. Click on the top here on create a design and search for WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp statue option. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now choose a template right here, for example this one, and you can change the picture, the text and everything right here as you can see, and it looks so professional as you can see. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.